Big engines in little cars. It's the oldest trick in the book to go fast. It's why cars like the V12 Vantage are such a riot to drive. It's also why cars like the original C63 AMG and the Cayman GT4 are held on such a high pedestal today. For a lot of people, the LS is the default swap to make this happen in most cars. But the Nissan Silvia S15 behind me makes a case that's not always the answer. In the early 90s, Nissan was unstoppable. From the Pulsar GTI-R to the R32 GTR, there was something for everyone. The S13 Silvia and R32 Skyline GTST were two of those cars, both front engine, rear wheel drive, and powered by 2-liter engines. Despite that, one of them was always the clear winner in my books, simply because it had 6 cylinders, not 4. By '99, the Silvia's SR20 2-liter inline-4 had peaked, but the Skylines had stepped up to the 2.5-liter RB25 inline-6. Bigger car, bigger engine. Makes sense. What Sean's done, however, is throw out the rational side of his brain and stick the bigger engine in the smaller car. Sean, what's going on?
Nothing much, man.
Do you want to introduce yourself and what you're driving?
Yeah, my name's Sean. This is my 99 Silvia. It's RB swapped, slightly a resto mod.
Let's pop the hood.
Sounds good.
This is what we came here for. It's not as bad, it's not as controversial as an LS swap, but
Yeah.
still somewhat controversial.
That almost happened, but I'm glad I did it.
Wow, okay. I mean, first off, resto mod, yes, this is gorgeous.
Yeah, the only thing stock is the crank and the water pump. Other than that, it's got CP Nitto billet pistons, rods, full spectrum turbo kit. They did all the fab work. Every nut and bolt's been zinc plated on the car, underneath and in the engine bay.
From afar, this looks almost like a show car,
Yeah, I
but
mean,
you drive it.
yeah, I drive it. Like it's only seen rain once, unfortunately. That was a mistake, but yeah, it's a driver. That was the goal. Not the best on gas, but it gets the job done.
Is it on ethanol right now?
It can be, but right now it's just on pump gas.
How much does it make?
It makes 520 wheel.
Wow.
Just on the pump. So
Okay.
it's built to handle over 900 in an S15. That's a little ridiculous for a street car.
Yes.
So I'm very happy with the 500 number. It already breaks loose enough. So, and this is just a street car. It's not a drift car or anything. So
What transmission are you running?
it's the factory R33 5-speed. So those I've heard are pretty good to handle around 800. So gets the job done.
And the diff?
Diff is a Nismo 2-way with
Wow.
412 gears. So
Good street car, and your fitment to me actually looks fairly usable.
yeah, I mean,
Right
it does need some tires and maybe an alignment, but yeah, it's looking that this is the goal. I refuse to roll the fenders, so it'll never be lower than this.
Awesome, man. Should we go for a drive?
Yeah, let's do it.
Awesome. The question is, does more cylinders always make a car better? I don't think that's necessarily the case, but today we're gonna find out.
Yeah.
So factory R33 5-speed.
Try it. It's a Nismo twin disc, so it's a little,
I know.
yeah.
The last thing I want to do is burn out somebody's clutch. If I have to choose between burning out somebody's clutch and stalling,
Yeah.
I'll choose stalling every day of the
Yeah.
week.
That's pretty new, so I mean, unless you are, that's the diff.
Yeah.
Unless you're extremely bad at driving it, like you're not gonna wear it out that much, hopefully.
Oh yeah, that's another thing. Immediately, you guys, Stop Tech brakes.
Yeah.
Big brake kit. I can feel it in the pedals. The pedal feels amazing.
Yeah, ABS deleted as well, so
Okay,
it's just full manual brakes.
that's really good to know. I'm glad you told me that.
Yeah.
So you've owned this car for almost 10 years now,
Yeah, it's coming up on it.
and it began life as a factory Spec S, correct?
Yep. Very slow. 167 claimed horsepower. And then yeah, I ended up just driving it for a while, and I would never buy a spec-r with intentions of swapping it, which is why it was a spec S in the first place.
Yes.
And then
That's a smart move, I feel like.
yeah, and there was tons of ideas floating around, like at first maybe an LS LS swap, unfortunately, was an idea. Happy we didn't go that way.
Hey man, if you have the wrong people in your ear,
Oh yeah,
that would happen.
Yeah,
that could happen.
like I would
You
think
know?
there was a time when I really did think it was cool.
Yeah. For the right project, I'm not,
Yeah.
inherently opposed to an LS swap, but
Yeah,
I don't think it's right for this car. This, to me, was always the dream. I told you earlier. It was always
Exactly.
either a 1J or a 2J, whatever, or an RB in an S15, you know?
100%. This whole thing started because, like, at the end of a car season, I was just tired of it being slow, and I just, without a goal in mind, I was like, I'm pulling this engine, and the car's not coming back on the road till it's faster. I did definitely turn into more of a purist over the time.
Yeah. Yeah.
Um,
I think that's important, not just because it's like a philosophy thing, but
Yeah.
also because these cars were built at the same time. So it's just kind of cool that you have an engine that Nissan could have put in this car from the factory.
100%.
But they
yeah. The swap is easy enough to do. Like, that Nissan definitely could have just put this motor in here.
So my biggest question with this, obviously the few asterisks here, people might be worried about, okay, is it going to ruin the handling? You know, SR20s are aluminum block
Yeah.
from the factory. This is an iron block.
Yeah,
So there is a weight difference.
yeah.
But even when you pop the hood, it looks like the engine's still fairly far back in the chassis.
Yeah, that's thanks to, like, to do the swap the easiest way, you can just put an R33 subframe in the car, which is what I did.
Okay.
So
okay.
it retains the exact mounting position from, like, an R33. And even with the trans and everything, like, it's perfectly centered. Like, everything just lines up if you use
Wow.
Skyline parts
What?
to put it in. Yeah.
I mean, I knew that a bunch of S chassis and R chassis parts are interchangeable.
it's a lot. Like,
Wow.
It's I mean, almost all the suspension is interchangeable, and
All right, should we give it some gas?
just watch out for a second. Like, you're gonna.
I will.
It'll clip on you. Like, it'll go.
We'll just roll into
Yeah.
it lightly. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Okay, guys, that's like 50% throttle.
Yeah. It gets you, man.
I mean, the only thing that's keeping this from being a daily, honestly, the clutch isn't that bad now that I've driven it a little bit.
Yeah.
It's just the diff.
Yeah, the diff clunks like insane. It's kind of like once you get into it once, it just stays locked, and you're just that's
Yeah.
it for the rest of the drive. Like, you're dealing with it.
Wow. Wow, dude.
Yeah.
I was worried about rubbing over those bumps, but
Yeah, I was too, but
No.
happy we didn't. Yeah, the power to weight ratio in this thing is just something else.
I mean, this is why you do this.
Yeah,
I mean, and for me, it's the sound.
100%.
It's an RB, an inline 6. If this was a 2J, it would be the same thing.
Same thing, yeah.
Its SR20s are great. We were talking earlier.
Yeah.
The path to big power is a lot better known now.
Yeah, exactly.
But I mean, just come on.
And it's like, yeah, 272 cams.
I figured you can hear the chop on
exactly,
idle.
yeah, you can hear the chop.
Yeah.
And I mean, on idle, it sounds like a completely different car, but once you get into it, it's like,
Yeah.
oh man. I mean, this was my first ever turbo build, first ever turbo car I've driven.
Nuts.
So I didn't know anything about, like, turbos when I started this journey.
Mhm.
I honestly still don't know, like, a whole lot about details. All I know is it has a 62 mil turbine inside.
Cool. I mean, so 3,000 RPM, it seemed to spool up.
Yeah, exactly.
I mean, you're getting big torque around 4,000 RPM.
Yeah, once you hit 4, it's going. Like,
And what is this? Would you know what the red line is? Did you raise that
it's
at all?
8,000, yeah.
Wow. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Yeah.
what? Factory RB. This is an RB25,
Yep.
and they rev, I believe, out of the box to 7,200.
Around there, yeah, it's in the 7s.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one's been, like, solid lifter converted as well, so it's as close to a 26 as it could be.
Wow.
Yeah.
An R33 GT weighs around 3,000 pounds. That's 250 pounds more than an S15 spec-r. How much of that comes from the engine and how much is now over the front axle of this car is not math I've prepared for you, but I promise we're not talking nose heavy like an RS4. Maybe you guys can relate, but I don't exactly change direction as quickly after lunch either. The noises I make in the process, however, are certainly memorable. For the street, it's perfect. Big noise, big usable power, and in a car with a wheelbase 7 inches shorter than where the engine previously lived. So it just feels like it's going to bite back at any moment. If it weren't for the restoration process, I'm not sure this car would still be in one piece after boost hits.
Yeah, I mean, the straight pipe thing is a little louder than I even wanted it to be. I don't know what I was thinking. Yeah, I don't know what I was thinking. Like, I just told Chris to do it. And
Go nuts.
I'm like, yeah, just keep it simple for now. Like, I'll come up with something later.
Yeah.
And I must have completely forgot what I was putting this straight pipe on. But yeah, this was the result.
It's good. It's still, the turbo response is good, but you do have to keep it above 3,500.
Exactly.
And then when you roll in, you're not like, oh my. We've all been in, well, I'm sure you have been in, I hope, an 800 horsepower wheel car.
Oh, like yeah.
Supra, and it's just like you're waiting with like 5,500 RPM.
Yeah, exactly.
I mean, that's why I asked you if it was running ethanol.
Yeah.
And I mean, because this turbo, not only would you make more power, but it would probably spool up even a little bit quicker.
Yeah.
But again, ethanol, I don't know where you guys live, but around here it's kind of accessible. You can get it, but it's still somewhat annoying to get.
Yeah, like maybe 1 or 2 places I think we have.
Yeah.
But yeah, even then we did dyno the car with it.
I'm going to interrupt you.
Oh yeah, go for it.
Dude, it just keeps pulling.
Yeah, it's nuts, man.
Wow, man.
It's so crazy.
Yeah, if this didn't have cams, like you're saying, the turbo isn't as big as it could be.
Yeah.
You would feel it fall flat a little bit.
Exactly.
But here it's just not doing that.
Yeah, and
that's wild.
I'll continue, but yeah, we did have this car on the dyno, and we did run like some E85 through it.
Yeah.
And it only ended up making like 10 more horsepower, I think.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah, just because this is as much as it could be with this turbo kind of on the car.
Yeah.
Anything more and I'd risk blowing the turbo itself because it was only rated for around 500. So it's only running 14 pounds.
Only 14 pounds?
Yeah.
Wow, okay.
That's not a lot, right?
I'm no RB expert, but I mean...
It seems like a kind of low number to me.
It seems like a low number to me too.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
so
no,
I
it
was
does.
just like, I only keep it as OEM-ish as it could be because that's what the turbo was meant to be on a stock block. So I was like, okay.
That's fantastic.
Just keep it a little low, and I know the internals will make up for the low boost. Like,
totally.
yeah.
What suspension do you have?
So it's all like Nismo suspension arms.
Okay.
Coilovers, they actually came on the car. So
Okay.
I don't know. I don't even know the brand honestly, but they're just doing okay for now. That is next on the list.
Oh, that's fun. I had to do one more pull. All right.
It's addicting, man.
It is. This one, I drove a Supra last week, and I was commenting on how smoothly it, in second gear, same thing, it would just kind of lose the way it lost traction. This snaps a little bit more.
Tiny bit.
The diff is fairly aggressive, but still,
Yeah.
even there, I didn't even put in any steering input, and it was just like,
It's
okay.
very minimal.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just more or less if you're even going around a slight bend, like you could see how that could go wrong, especially in this thing. 'Cause
Oh, yeah.
in second, the boost is on and off. There's no like
Yes.
very minimal spool time. It just hits.
Yeah.
So
Well, thanks for the drive.
no problem, man. Like this is my first time riding passenger. So
Does it
it's
feel
like-
quicker in the passenger seat?
I don't think so, honestly.
Okay.
Maybe it's just my seating position of just like being way back here and like laid back kind of thing. I think the cockpit can feel a little small on that side sometimes.
Yo, yeah.
I don't know if you're feeling it right now, but it just feels really snug over there.
It's the same in the R34s. At least the GTTs, the seating position, same in this car, it's a little bit too high.
Yeah, exactly.
Stock, you need to be like an inch and a half lower.
Yeah, I feel tall in this car when I drive
Yeah.
it. Because like I'm actually like sitting above things and like I can see things, but
It's a good thing, but
yeah.
yeah, how wide are your rear tires?
They're 255s.
Oh, okay.
So, yeah, they're
there you
very
go.
normal. They're not anything crazy.
Yeah.
I like the little bit of wheel spin, you know, like it adds some excitement to the car.
100%.
Yeah.
It's still manageable too. It's not
Yeah.
unmanageable. So ridiculous, dude.
Yeah, I love
thanks
it.
again for the drive. Thanks for the seat
No
time.
problem.
This is you guys, we didn't push it too hard in the corners. Well, we had some traffic. But yeah, is there a little bit of a weight penalty? Yes, but I feel like this build is for something different than perhaps what you would buy just a factory SR for. Could you build this into a grip car? Absolutely.
Oh yeah.
Would it be as balanced necessarily as an SR car? No, but
No.
for me, the sound is worth it. The
Yeah.
trade-off, the power, and the peace of mind that comes with your build like this.
Yeah.
Having it the way it is worth it. And I just think it's cool to build a hot rod using all OEM stuff, like Nissan, not
Exactly.
OEM stuff, but a Nissan engine.
Yeah. Like the only branding you'll see on this car is Nismo. That's just, it's Nissan, man. Keep
Yeah.
it Nissan. I don't care if it's more expensive or not the best part. I just keep it to the brand, you know?
100%.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Follow Sean on Instagram. His stuff is linked below. We'll see you next time.
Sounds good.